Marmaris, located on Turkey's stunning Turquoise Coast, is a place where natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture come together. Whether you're here for adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, this coastal gem has something for everyone. From hidden coves and ancient ruins to bustling markets and unforgettable boat trips, every corner of Marmaris invites exploration. In this video, we're counting down the 10 best things to do in Marmaris, Turkey. Must-see spots and experiences that will make your trip truly unforgettable. If you're planning your first visit or just looking for new things to explore, stay tuned. From sun-soaked beaches to secret mountain villages, this guide covers the perfect mix of history, nature, and fun. Let's dive into the top things you don't want to miss in Marmaris, starting with number 10. Number 10. Explore Marmaris Old Town and Castle. Marmaris isn't just a beach paradise. It's a place where history meets the sea. Even if you're here for just one night before setting sail, or planning to spend your whole trip on the sand, make time to explore Marmaris's charming old town. Perched above the harbor, Marmaris Castle stands as the centerpiece of the historic area. Surrounded by narrow cobblestone lanes and whitewashed cottages draped in bougainvillea, this part of town feels like stepping into another era. The castle itself holds deep roots in Ottoman history. It once served as a staging ground for Sultan Süleyman, the Magnificent's forces during the campaign to reclaim Rhodes. Today, parts of the castle have been transformed into a museum, showcasing artifacts discovered in the region. Climbing the ramparts rewards you with sweeping views of Marmaris Bay, a perfect spot to pause and soak in the scenery. Just steps from the bustling harbor, this peaceful corner of the city offers a quiet, unforgettable glimpse into Marmaris's past. Number 9. Relaxing on Marmaris Beach. Perfect summer escape. Soft waves lap the shore as the golden sun reflects off the turquoise waters of Marmaris Beach. This is the perfect spot to unwind, stretch out on the warm sand, and let the summer vibes take over. The calm sea invites swimmers and paddleboarders to enjoy its refreshing embrace, while sunbathers relax under colorful umbrellas lining the shore. Local cafes and beach bars serve up cold drinks and Turkish snacks, perfect for a midday break with a view. Grab a fresh orange juice or a Turkish coffee and watch boats drift by on the horizon. The beach is clean, peaceful, and framed by scenic hills, offering both beauty and serenity. A slow walk along the waterfront reveals charming shops, friendly locals, and that laid-back Marmaris energy. As the sun begins to dip, the sky turns pink and orange, casting a dreamy glow over the bay. Whether it's swimming, lounging, or just soaking in the natural beauty, Marmaris Beach delivers a perfect summer escape for anyone needing a break from the ordinary. Number 8. Atlantis Water Park Marmaris. Get ready for a full day of splash-filled fun at Atlantis Marmaris Water Park, the largest water park in Marmaris, and a favorite for families and thrill-seekers alike. Located right on the seafront, this park is packed with exciting attractions for all ages. From adrenaline-pumping slides like the Kamikaze, Black Hole, Wild River, and Space Bowl, to gentler options and dedicated pools for the little ones, there's something here for everyone. Kids can enjoy soft play areas and safe water zones, while adults can relax, knowing there's fun and comfort for all. Need a break from the action? The park features a private beach with free sunbeds and umbrellas, perfect for lounging by the sea. There's plenty of shade when you need to cool off, and the on-site restaurant serves up tasty meals at reasonable prices. Whether you're here for the rides or the relaxing atmosphere, Atlantis delivers. Plus, with complimentary transportation from various spots in Marmaris, getting here is easy. A day at Atlantis Water Park is the ultimate way to beat the heat and have a blast. Number 7. Marmaris Sailing Tour. Hidden coves and crystal waters. Sailing out from the Marmaris harbor, the coastline immediately stuns with its clear turquoise waters and rugged green hills. As the boat glides through the Aegean Sea, each turn reveals a new stretch of untouched beauty. Hidden coves, rocky cliffs, and quiet beaches only accessible by water. The first stop is a peaceful bay, where the anchor drops and it's time to dive in. The water is warm, crystal clear, and perfect for swimming or simply floating under the sun. Back on deck, the breeze is gentle and the views are endless. Lunch is served on board, freshly grilled meats, salads, and local sides. Simple, delicious, and exactly what the moment calls for. The day continues with more stops at secret spots, each one more beautiful than the last. Throughout the journey, there's time to relax, sunbathe, and soak in the serenity of the sea. It's the kind of experience that slows time down. Sailing in Marmaris isn't just a tour. It's a peaceful escape into nature, away from the crowds, where the sea becomes your guide. Number 6. A stroll through Marmaris Marina. A calm stroll through Marmaris Marina reveals the charm of coastal life at its finest. The gentle sound of the sea, the glint of sunlight reflecting off luxury yachts, and the laid-back rhythm of the marina make this walk an unforgettable experience. Along the promenade, sailboats and mega-yachts sway gently in the turquoise waters, creating a scene straight out of a travel magazine. The marina is lined with elegant cafes and seafood restaurants, where locals and visitors relax over a drink or enjoy the catch of the day. Street vendors and small boutiques add character to the walk, offering handmade crafts, nautical souvenirs, and Turkish delights. The atmosphere is lively but relaxed, with music floating softly from nearby terraces. As the sun begins to set, the sky paints the harbor in warm tones of gold and pink. Locals gather, couples stroll hand in hand, and the marina lights begin to twinkle. Whether you're here for the luxury or the laid-back vibe, Marmaris Marina captures the essence of Mediterranean charm perfectly. Number 5. Exploring the markets of Marmaris. Exploring the markets of Marmaris is like stepping into a vibrant world of color, sound, and culture. The aroma of spices fills the air as you wander through narrow lanes lined with stalls overflowing with Turkish delights, fresh produce, handcrafted goods, and textiles. Vendors call out with friendly greetings, offering everything from leather bags and colorful ceramics to fragrant soaps and traditional Turkish tea sets. It's the perfect place to pick up souvenirs, whether you're looking for something authentic or just a fun gift to take home. The Grand Bazaar is the heart of it all, buzzing with energy and packed with treasures waiting to be discovered. Don't be shy to bargain. It's all part of the experience. Step outside the covered market and you'll find open-air stalls and small family-run shops, each with its own charm. From handmade jewelry to spices packaged beautifully, there's something here for everyone. A shopping tour in Marmaris is more than retail therapy. It's a chance to connect with local culture and take home a piece of Turkey. Number 4. Marmaris Pirate Boat Trip. Set sail on the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean with the Marmaris Pirate Boat Trip. An unforgettable day packed with adventure, fun, and stunning views. The journey begins at Marmaris Marina, where a massive, pirate-themed ship awaits. With its towering masts and wooden decks, it feels like stepping into a scene from a swashbuckling movie. As the boat pulls away from shore, music fills the air, and the crew gets everyone in the mood for a full day of sun and sea. Throughout the trip, There are multiple swim stops in crystal-clear coves where you can dive right off the ship or float peacefully under the sun. Onboard entertainment includes foam parties, pirate shows, and games for both kids and adults. A delicious lunch is served on deck, and drinks are available all day. The atmosphere is lively but relaxed, making it perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers. From swimming in secluded bays to dancing on deck, the Marmaris pirate boat trip delivers a day on the water you won't soon forget. Number 3. Soak up the sun on Iztuzu Beach. Just under 2 hours from Marmaris, Iztuzu Beach is a peaceful escape, protected as part of a nature park. This stretch of white sand runs nearly 5 kilometers along the coast and is one of Turkey's most beautiful and untouched beaches. Unlike many busier spots near Marmaris, there's no heavy development here, just pure nature, soft sand, and the sound of the waves. What makes Iztuzu Beach even more special is its role as a protected nesting site for endangered loggerhead turtles. You'll notice parts of the beach are sectioned off to protect their nests, especially during nesting season. It's a perfect spot to swim, relax, and take in the natural beauty of the area. Many day trips from Marmaris focus on pure beach time here, while others combine it with a scenic cruise up the Dalyan River. On site, you'll find a small cafe offering snacks and meals, plus sunbeds and umbrellas for rent. Iztuzu is the kind of beach that blends calm relaxation with unique ecological importance, all in one unforgettable destination. Number 2. Exploring Selimiye Village. Near Marmaris, tucked along the Aegean coastline, just 45 kilometers from Marmaris, Selimiye Village offers a peaceful escape from the crowds. This charming fishing village is known for its calm turquoise waters, scenic harbor, and laid-back atmosphere that instantly makes you slow down and soak in the beauty. Walking along the waterfront, sailboats gently bob in the bay, while locals sip tea at seaside cafes. Narrow streets lined with stone houses and flowering bougainvillea invite quiet exploration. Small artisan shops and family-run restaurants offer everything from handcrafted jewelry to fresh-caught seafood grilled to perfection. Selimiye is more than just pretty views. It's a slice of authentic coastal life in Turkey. Fishermen mend their nets beside luxury yachts, and kids play by the shore as if time moves differently here. Whether it's a short stop on a sailing tour or a full-day retreat, Selimiye's natural charm and slow rhythm make it unforgettable. With its crystal-clear water, stunning sunsets, and warm hospitality, Selimiye Village is a true hidden gem near Marmaris. Number 1. Exploring Kaunos. Ancient city. Day trip from Marmaris, Kaunos is one of Turkey's most fascinating ancient cities, filled with history, ruins, and breathtaking views. This archaeological site near Dalyan takes you back over 3,000 years, through the rise and fall of multiple civilizations, from the Hellenistic to Roman and Byzantine periods. One of the most striking features is the Kaunian necropolis, home to 170 rock-cut temple tombs. These stunning tombs are carved right into the cliffs and display incredible architectural detail. Each structure is marked with information boards, making it easy to understand their history as you explore. Though the site is close to Dalyan, getting around Kaunos can be a bit challenging due to the uneven terrain. Expect to spend about 2 to 3 hours here. If you have a museum card, entry is included. Beyond the ruins, the view of the Dalyan River wetlands is truly scenic. What's now a peaceful wetland was once the city's open bay and harbor. With temples, ancient baths, a theater, and even churches, Kaunos is a must-see for history lovers.